How to import CSS swatches for your file CSS file in Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to the Windows option. As you go to the Windows option, but this is the Windows, you have to go to the swatches option. So this is the swatches option over here. Then I have to click on these three lines that are located up above. As I click on these three lines, there are some several options down here. So you have to go and click on import swatches. So this is the file, this is how it looks like as an import file. So you should have a file like this, and you have a body, color of h1 and a color of a p1. So these are the CSS colors with the CSS code like b52 or ff7, and this is also a FC9 code for your swatches. So you have to go locate this file into your computer and then hit load. As you load, then it will already enter this file into your Photoshop, and you will have all these swatches. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.